How to upload a video on Poppo Live app. In order to do that, first just open the app. From here, you want to go to your profile and simply tap on your profile picture. This will open up your profile, and from here at the bottom right corner you can see this camera icon. Tap on it. So you have to note before you do any of this, the app requires some permissions for your camera and your camera roll, so make sure you allow all of those permissions first. And after you do that, you just want to select what you want to upload. You can post a moment or a video. So for now I'm just going to tap on video, and it will open up your camera roll. You can select the video and tap on complete right here, and you can select OK. Then you can add captions or say something about the video right here, and simply tap on this post icon. Once you tap on post, your video should be uploaded to your profile. And that's how you upload video on Poppo Live app. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video. As you can see, the video now has been uploaded. Thank you for watching.